Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivan and this is the Craft Dodo. We have a pizza box to finish, so let's do it.
The Craft Dodo. Crafts you can craft.
Hey guys, welcome back. So here is how we left it at the end of the first part of the tutorial, and we are picking up from here. So if I have a look at my reference here, we are almost finished. There are just a little touch to be completed, like the text on the sides and the QR code or whatever you want to put there. Okay, so I will try to keep it simple and fast because you know that me talking it's annoying and you just want to see how it works. Cool. So let's grab this one and let's go on edit, duplicate. I just want to remember that I will be using my keystroke, so it's Command D in my case. Let's duplicate it. We can move it here, click, rotate with Control. Here we go. Then select it again. Let's scale it. Something like that. Yeah, that will make it. And oops, I failed because I forgot our pizza slice. You see what happens when you do not group objects. So we can group it. Yeah, duplicate, move, click, rotate. Here we go. Then scale. And now it's much better if it doesn't snap everywhere. Yeah, or something like that, probably. Cool. Let's zoom a little bit so we can see what we are doing. Will it fit? Yes, it will fit here. Yep. So now I will draw this reference like that. Give it a color. What is it? Here, fill, whatever fill. This is good. Select this one. Select this one. This won't probably work, but let's see. This one, nope. The other one. Here we go. Cool. But you see, optically, this is not center because it's gonna center from here to here. But we really want it a teeny tiny down the road. Oh, I cannot do it unless I take away the snap. And then I can move it, you see, very, very nicely. And back with the snap. Yeah, cool. So file on the keyboard, I have this one. Now to duplicate, move it here, then rotate like this. Okay, cool. Like this. Now we can zoom here. It's almost finished, I promise. And then we can just, I can eyeball it, I guess. If I turn off again the snapping, I can just move it like that. Yeah, that will make it. Okay, file on the keyboard, and then for a magic trick, select both, duplicate, click, and rotate. Since this is a square,
Nope.
it almost works because it's not really, yeah, it's not a square. Fail again.
Fail.
So zoom, move. If I can select like this, okay, 5, zoom here, select this one, move like this. How cool is this? Now, we don't need this one anymore. Okay, cool. So what else do we need? The QR code. Let's get it. It's this one. Open. Ignore. It's huge. Let's make it smaller like that. Rotate. Control. Let's center it more or less like this. If you want to be more precise, you can draw all the references and use the alignment tool, but it's fine. And I will say that the design is complete now. Okay. Yes, we should have everything that we need. So this one, we don't need it anymore. Go away.
I like that.
Now, there is this last step we need to take for the project to be finished. We need to actually to do two things. We need to export an image of all the design, and we need to export an SVG file of all the cut file, the cut paths. How to do that so they will be centered? So I need this one to be ungrouped. What is it? Here. So I can select this rectangle. Okay. Now, let's organize our layers, and we have this one and this one. Nice. I want a copy of this, so I will duplicate it. And I want this one to be on the design like that. Okay, so now we should be able to see the rectangle on the design. Cool. So let's select everything here. We then go on export, and then we have here selected only. Yes, that's the one we want. Where am I exporting? Here. Okay, export pizza box G148. Cool. Now, this is a PNG file, as you can see. If you want, you can change like the kind or the compression, anti-alias, and whatever else you need to change. Okay. And now I can go back to my layer, and this time I will hide this one and show this one. I want to select everything, go to export, and this time I want an SVG file. And okay, the name is funky, but we can change it later if needed. Cool. So we should have everything that we need now. Let's open Leonardo. Here it comes. Cool. Now let's go here. So I want to import. Where is it? Pizza box. It's here. Let's sort it by date. It's already like that. So this is our image. I want it. Gimme. Okay, and select the background image. Next. Here it is. Cool. Then I want to import again. Let's select this one now. And we want to do a cut only. We don't need, well, we can go with editable. It's the same actually. Okay. Cool. And now we have this one. Now, what we want to do is to select both. And then go to here. Center and center. And then we want to rotate this one. Artboard page marks, print and cut. Super cool. Now we go check our layers, and we have our image here. We can hide it for the moment. And then we can ungroup this one more than once. Okay, this shape here, we do not need it any longer. And we have this one that will be cut tool. And we have this one that is gonna be our crease or fold. Then we can show again our image, and now the project should be complete. I should be able to go to send design. Let's check it. I will select my printer, that is this one. Okay, and then send to design, and we don't touch anything here. Now we have this one ready to be printed and this one ready to be cut and fold. So this one will go to your printer, and this one I used my blade. I don't have the crease tool, so I need to check this one. If I click on send to cutter, yeah, this is the parameters that I use on my 300 grams cardstock that I use. And okay, if I should click on this one, I should go for the fold and crease first and then cut all my nice contours. I'm not gonna do it this one live on camera because I have already enough pizza boxes around my table, because you know I've been doing some tests before making this video, but you can try and let me know. Welcome back, guys. If you made it so far, thank you. It's been a long ride, I know, and I hope you learned something along the way. And you should have one of these in your hands now, and it's just a small example of what you can do with this technique. I have other things here, like this small box here with a lid, and you don't even need to glue much, like only one flap, and it will self-close and stay closed. And you know, whatever, it's just a technique. You just find the die cut you like, scale it down to the size of your machine, design your graphic design, import it inside Leonardo, and then you are free to do whatever you want. Maybe in another video I can teach you how to split the die cut, so you know we can print it on two sheets of paper, and then the box can be larger, because we are limited, at least on the Juliet, we are limited to the size of what you can cut. Actually, I understood that even the Romeo, even if it is much wider, it can only cut the same size of the Juliet, and this sounds very strange to me, at least with the matte, but that's it. We will see. And I don't know, there are many other things you can do, and you can learn how to do this one. You can do it with a 3D program, as I told you, but actually this one I just designed myself. The die is very simple. You start from this hexagon and then build your sides. Maybe I can teach you this one as well, or we can make a horse with a huge neck that should be a giraffe, but here it is. Thank you guys for watching my video, and leave a comment down below. You can ask me anything, and I'll see you on the next one. Maybe. Bye.